DIY Halloween decor, handprint window clings. What you're going to need: glue, clear or white, food coloring, gloves, a bowl, a cookie sheet or a similar surface covered in cling wrap. First thing you're going to want to do is smooth out your cling wrap as much as possible, and then pour some glue into the bowl. Go ahead and put on your glove first. You're going to want to do that. And then dip your hand into the glue like you're going to make a handprint and set your hand on the plastic wrap. As you can see in the picture, it's kind of hard to tell where the hand was, but in person it's a little clearer. Let that dry a bit, then repeat this process. Right now you're creating a base for your cling so that the food coloring doesn't bleed onto your windows or surfaces. Repeat this process at least 5 times, letting each layer dry between applications. Do your best to put your hand in the same place each time. Now add your food coloring to the bowl of glue. You may need to add more glue. I did 3 drops of pink and 1 orange. You could also make this look like slime by using green. Repeat this process at least 5 times. You may need to use a spoon to apply glue to specific places as you go. Do this in order to make the layers as even as you can throughout the print. Once the color layers are done and dry, switch back to plain glue. Again, we're creating a barrier to block the color from bleeding onto surfaces. Then you can use the cling on either side without worry. Repeat this at least 5 times. Again, you're going to want to spoon the glue into the places that need more and let layers dry a bit between applications. As you can see in the picture, it looks a little more blob-like with the last 3 fingers, but we can fix that in the end. Once the layers are dry and your print is about an eighth of an inch thick, remove it from the cling wrap and trim it around the edges. This is when you can fix any blob-like characteristics that you don't like. Apply the window clings to your windows or to clear plastic surfaces. If parts of the cling don't cling the way you want them to, go ahead and wrap them in a layer of cling wrap. So if one of the fingers isn't quite thick enough, you can just add that cling wrap and reapply. To store for future use, you're going to place the print between 2 sheets of parchment paper or wax paper and then put it in a plastic bag. You want to make sure that it's not going to stick to the plastic bag because that will make it harder to get out later. Thank you for watching. Join us next Tuesday at 6 p.m. for our final DIY Halloween decor video.